Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We're gonna do another milk distribution today. There's a lot of things going on. Hi everybody. There's a lot of things going on. The city has gotten out with the coupons today and a 1,000 peso cash allowance on top of that, so for a total of 2,000. So that's a good thing, and a lot of people have been going to get their stuff. So we are today just doing one final milk distribution here on Yellow Bell Street today, and we're going to try to get some milk out, and we go from there. So come on and let's go. That's your little. How old is he?
7 months.
7 months. Okay. All right.
Baby Aquino? Where's Baby Aquino?
So, no, I'm okay. So that's our announcer, Mr. Mark. He's from Mabalacat City, and he has been helping us through the entire months here, the past couple of months. Yeah. Social distancing seems to be a little tough, but we're trying. We need to back off to let the traffic come by here.
3 years old.
All right.
Say thank you again to Mr. Jacob. Chelsea, Francia. 1 year old. Crystal J. Lu Santos. That's 3 years old. You're the parent? Okay.
3 years old?
3 years old. Daniel Florando.
So the guys are out, they're playing basketball here. Social distancing, it's non-existent. So they're out here playing basketball, and it is a little hard to keep people away from each other. But so far we have no confirmed COVID in these barangays anyway, so that's a good thing.
That's 3 years old. Thank you. Ethan James Mercado. 6 months old. That's the grandparent. 10 months old.
10 months old gets the bona.
10 and 6.
10 and
the marker, please, because that way she knows which difference.
Well, 10 and 6, they're both the same, aren't they?
Yeah.
6 to 12, 6 to 12. So it's okay. We give the 6-month-old the 6 to 12, so that should be okay.
Gian Clark, we have one.
He is the brother of Jericho.
Giancarlo Hanoi.
Let's come in here. We have seen the children one time in the beginning. We required each registered child to be with us when we did this, and we're not as hard on it. This is our fourth run or fifth run, honey. is it the fourth time here, right? I think
Justin Sevilla.
with milk. All right, so I think we are about wrapping up this street. You can see that the number of people has diminished. They are coming out all out of the woodworks here. So we have almost completed this street, and we are going to head down to Walling Street, which is on the other side of this barangay, and continue over there.
So this is it? This is it? Pansit? Oh, sorry. Huh?
Trying to figure out.
Okay.
There's 3 families here.
3 families?
There's 3 children. 2 3-year-olds and a 2-year-old.
Okay. We're going to the other street?
Yeah, we're just
Okay. So, pupuntahan po namin yung, what's the street?
we're still gonna stay here.
Still Waling Street daw. So, sa kabilang kanto lang. Dito? Here? Oh, no?
Hello.
I know where. Yeah, I think here. It's here? Or... Yeah, I remember. Yeah. Oh, you buy barbecue?
Yeah.
I want that intestine too. I want intestine.
Okay. 1.
Magkano po yung isaw? 5. I want 4.
You want 2?
4.
Okay. 4.
It's 5 peso each.
Okay.
5 peso.
I just want 1.
I want intestine. 4 po yung isaw. So, snack muna kami habang hinihintay namin yung mga bata.
Might as well.
Ha?
Might as well get some barbecue. Might as well get some barbecue.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in the middle of the milk distribution, we stop and get us a little worry. I've been working all day today, so I felt like I gotta have something in my stomach.
It smells good.
Yeah. Smells good.
You want barbecue?
No, I'm good, thanks. I ate ham and cheese.
You've been munching all day, huh?
All day. I've been nervous.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Jewel Baligat. Jewel Baligat is 3 years old.
3 years old. Big girl. There you go, sweetie.
What will you say? Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go.
Lower rain po yung 3 years old.
3 years old. That's a big girl. Here you go. You're welcome.
Next is Elijah San Miguel.
Bye. She's shy.
It's a 4 months.
There you go. You're welcome.
3 years old and wala mo rin kamenta. King Ryzen Roger.
There you go.
What you say? What say?
You're welcome.
Thank you, Paul. She's so cute.
Milano Bergonio.
Here you go, sweetie. You're welcome. You're welcome.
All right, guys. So we have done a couple of different areas. Yellow Bell Street on Walling, and we actually got a little bit of leftover, so we can cover what was this name here? This street, what was this street? What was the street? Sunflower Street. I know it was something with sun, but I couldn't remember. Sunflower Street. So we are going to get that milk out.
Yeah.
And as you can see,
For free.
look at the sun.
You don't need to pay, just for free.
Look at the sun. It's almost getting down to being done. There you go. There you go.
Where's Aminos, Nalios?
And people are burning garbage, lighting up the fires.
Next is Novel Joy, Sarsabia.
Province.
Is your parent? It's a 1-year-old.
One.
Exactly 1 year old?
1 year, 1 year.
You're welcome.
Lorena Garalde. 3 years old, sir. Carissa Gutierrez and Merino Gutierrez. 3 years old and 1 year old.
And there's the mother of the Gutierrez.
Benardo Mamune.
We've been doing this for a while now, so we start getting to know the names even of some of these
Benardo
people.
Mamune.
So it's,
Representative na lang po.
1 year old.
Thank you po.
Marlene Luis.
she didn't have face mask, so she didn't want to come and get it.
Towel.
She used a towel.
Marlene Luis. 2 years old. Alexander Ballesteros. Alexander Ballesteros. 3 years old. Say thank you to Mr. Kegel at Mr. Alberto. Tessa Sanggalang. Nestin Ann Sanggalang. 1 year old and 2 years old. Kayton Nagit.
Masakit siya kasi bitis eh.
That is 3 years old. Lorely Bolton. Lorely Bolton.
Alright, so that's a fire coming up there. That's very common here. They burn the garbage outside their houses.
They have 2 childs, 3 years old and 2 years old. Amy Rose Nalios. That is 3 years old. Rose B. Abilier.
Alright guys, so we
Rose B.
are
Abilier.
silently wrapping this up for today, and glad to have you with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share, and we see you tomorrow morning on our live feed, Thursday morning, 7:30 a.m. Manila time, Wednesday evening, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. God bless. We'll see you soon again. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.